I'll stand on. Yeah. 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 Let me give some to your puppy. Come away from the road a little bit. Good for him. Okay. Where's the puppy? Okay. Oops. So there you are. There's one bit there. It's alright. Right. Okay, that's... What about the puppy? Okay, we got this. I got it. Hang on. It's an egg. Hang on. I have to. Hang on, gently, boys. Hang on. Okay. Yeah. Whatever you do. Okay. That's the egg. What else we got? Where's that Where's your little puppy gone? Yeah, I know. Where's your puppy? Whose is it? It's your puppy, isn't it? Okay, I think. Oh, yeah, I think it's your puppy, isn't it? By the look of your teeth. Okay. Right, we're running out. All I've got left is the cake. We actually record. Am I recording this? Alright. Okay. Alright then. I was going to have a bit of this later myself, but you can make a cake. Oh, gently. Look at you, look at the state here. Oh, oops. Yeah, that's yours, that's it. There you go. Oh, can I give you a little stroke? Yeah, good dogs. You can feed your puppy, because I'm out. Did you enjoy that? Well, we had a few bits there. You had a bit of ham, cheese, boiled egg, a sort of flaky pastry eggy thing, and a bit of cake. Oh yeah, good dogs. I haven't got anything left. Look. Well, I'll wash my hands. I don't know where that puppy is. Saw him. You got a drink here somewhere. Right, there's one other thing. Should I give him that? I found one more wafer at the bottom of my bag. It's a bit caked on. Yeah, they don't eat metal paper, do they? Okay, hang on. Alright, first. Okay. So you get a third each. But the big third goes to Mama. Here. Oh, he's not the Right, there's the big Mama. Alright, you can have that one. You have that one. It's a bit weird. I've never had a chocolate wafer before. Caramel wafer. It's interesting. You can have a drink in my hand if you like. Got some water. There's the water. There's the water. The big bruiser, isn't he? No, okay. Let's wash my hands then. Okay. Alright then. You go find your puppy and give her some milk. Or him. It's down there somewhere. It's sort of run off. Oh, there you are. Hello. There's a little puppy there. Dog one there. Alright then. Bye bye, dogs. Good dogs. Bye bye. Don't really want me to stroke them. Okay. Alright. Bye bye then, dogs. Looking at some of the crumbs. Bye bye. Oh yeah. Bye dogs. Oh. bridge. It would be such a lovely touch, wouldn't you? You got your fur sorted out. Good dog. Good lad. Bye bye. Good dog. Hello. You alright? Yeah. Oh, you're a friendly dog, aren't you? Oh. You're not one of the ones who chase his bikes, are you? Good boy. Look how matted he is. Oh dear. Oh, he's got a collar on. Oh, yeah, you're a good boy. Right. I think he was a bit of stroke here. Okay. There you are. Good lad. Okay. There. Alright, oh cool. His pet's next to me again. Alright. Don't know how I'm going to get past this lot. Can I get through? You're blocking my way, aren't you? Okay. Just trying to tell me to go by. Sorry, sheep. Blimey. I can't get through this lot. Am I supposed to get through this lot? That's it. Shot over there, sheep. Hello. There's loads of sort of front, the ones of the gang up front. Okay. You're telling me to I get round here. Thank you. Hello dogs. Hello, good dog. Yeah. Alright, sheep. Let's get round the outside. Bip 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 bip. That's it. Thank you. Oh. Thank you. It's okay, fellas. There's a good dog. There's a good dog. Good dog. Hello. It's okay. Look at him looking at me. I'm a bit worried you don't. I don't want you to get run over, you see. So I was going to help you off the road. Okay. It's alright. Hello. 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 You were going that way. Yeah, I'll just lift you off. Yeah. That's it. There you go. There you go. He's off. Bye bye, fella. Oh. Hello. Oh, there you go. Hello. I'm surrounded by flies because of that lot. Let me get this side of here, I'll get this side of here. Tricky that was, just as I got into that bend, I did it quite quickly, and I had a sneeze, and just as I opened my eyes after the sneeze, there's a whole whopping herd of cows on the road. Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, horses and mules. Yeah, I like that. Don't worry. Hello. No. Hello, you got. Hello. Okay. What's that? Go away. You two, come on, you two, come on, you two. Beep, 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 beep. That's it.